So I'm Kate and we are She Codes Australia. We're on a mission to get 100,000 more women in tech in the next 5 years. We've got 3 ranges of programs. We've got a 1-day workshop, we've got a 1-week intensive, and we've got a 6-month part-time program. So we're here at River City Labs today in Brisbane. We've got about 50 women behind me here learning how to code, learning some Django, Python, WordPress and HTML, CSS. We are super excited that we've got a 6-month program coming up here in Brisbane early next year. So we'll be kicking off applications in February for an April start of the program. So the program She Codes Plus is powered by BHP. It's a 6-month program to get people from that really early stage beginner level right through to job ready. So really completing the circuit of getting women from knowing nothing about code to being able to work in a technical environment. So applications will be open soon, so definitely watch this space if you're interested in getting into a technical career, partnering with mentors and learning how to build websites, web apps, and learn about technology.
For me, the most exciting thing has been that people who I mentored 3 years ago are now back as mentors themselves. And watching the girls who have come through some of our other programs, like the Plus program, for me, that's just super rewarding because they come into it with basically 0 development skills and they come out of it ready to go into the workforce as a junior developer. So coming from a really male-dominated industry, it's really important to me that we're giving people the opportunities to go out and actually get careers and to change the status quo. And the only way that we're going to do that is to just keep running stuff like this and build confidence of the general sort of female population, I guess, in making sure that they don't feel like they're excluded from this space and that tech is for everyone.